John Rudel writes, vulnerability doesn't mean telling others what happened to us from across the cafe table or from behind a microphone, and then going home from the experience feeling just as alone as you did before. Vulnerability means allowing your human heart blanket to get sewn to other heart blankets. It's about connection. We don't share for status. We do it for synergy. We don't confess for clout. We do it to build community. We tell our tale to invite others to tell theirs. It's the sacred cycle of storytelling. We gather in a circle of trust and say, here is my journey. Then we listen to other journeys that are shared. We take space, then we give space. We pour, then we absorb. We speak, then we listen. We are storytellers, then we are witnesses. Vulnerability isn't just about grave digging in our past to expose our skeletons. It's about sewing quilts. Here's my patch. Here's your patch. Here is their patch. Here is us. Here is our story. You are tuned in to Storytyd saam Stella, and you are listening to Estelle Rousseau. Be blessed and always, always be a blessing too. Thank you, John Rudel, for this beautiful quilt that I could share with my listeners this morning. You are truly, truly a blessing